Are you radar fit? For each vehicle equipped with radar sensors, you need to strictly adhere to the OEM repair standards. Color and effect pigments can have an impact on radar transmission and safety. RM is here to help you with our radar solutions. We have radar color formulae approved by several OEMs published in our color software. We have radar e-learnings, and now we have the new Radar Fit tool. It can evaluate each formula from our broad color database. We are leading the way in color innovation. Contact your local customer service. Radar Fit, paving the way for the future of mobility. Ready for radar. Radar Fit.